Misconception to a consigner is the amount they're going to get for an item. They're not going to get what they paid for it. Nowhere near that. This is consignment. It's not new resale.
And a good rule of thumb is 30 to 40% of original selling price, and that's if your item's in excellent condition. Sometimes we can get 50%, but a rule of thumb is 30 to 40%.
And it really, really helps to get your best dollar with good condition items, new, up-to-date style items. Something that was really cute with Gymboree 5 years ago is really not that cute now or up-to-date now.
And it may not sell. I mean, it may sell, but most people who shop Gymboree, of course, or any other brand name, they're looking for the more modern items. And actually, a good thing to remember, too, is whenever you sign the consignor agreement and you ask us about pricing, it's better to price a little bit high and let things go half off on half off day, because 90% of things sell on half off day, versus pricing moderate and keeping it full price on half off, because it won't sell that last day for sure.